Okay, you're gonna need a few things here. Screwdriver, Phillips head. You got a flat head. Like a rag or a paper towel. Usually what works best is WD-40. And I have used the Phillips head screwdriver already to remove these two screws here. Screw 1, screw 2. Pull that off. Alright, now we can lift our glass. Glass lifts off. Okay. And now what we do here, let's set this down here for a second, is we'll take our rag here, spray a little area of WD-40 on the rag. Okay. And then we take our rag or a paper towel and we fold it over the end of a flathead screwdriver. So you should have the screwdriver like this, like the rag, or a few layers of paper towels like that. And what you do is you take this end right here where the WD-40 is and these rails right in here. You just run it across this rail at the top. Make sure the machine's powered off. Run it across the top here. And then run across the bottom of that rail. Okay. And it's the rail. If you look inside of the machine, you're gonna get a little closer. There's gonna be a little wire right here. And it's this rail right here behind the wire. And as you'll kind of see, the scanner slides on that rail. So that's what's causing it to hop and miss. So after you put WD-40 on both sides of the rail, the top and the bottom part of the rail, run this across it. Slide that scanner across once, twice, just to even out, any excess WD-40 that might be left on there. Then you place your glass back on. All right. Then you place that back on. And then you screw it in. You can power your machine on. And that is how you clean the scanner rails. There's also scanner rails on this side also. Inside of there. You do the same thing. Right behind the wire, top, bottom. And the same thing for that side. Top, bottom, behind the wire. Then you power your machine on. And the scanner will not be hopping across the guides at that point.